Singhason Youth Front Lapen KSA Lapen Singhason Youth Development Committee Atumpen Karcho Jai Mekedeng Pon May Pusar Bari Mingti Ben Karbi Lameda Mai Ninkan Thokebranar Kep Kichok Lapen Ninkan Iseka Mai Pila Makang Thora Jai Mekedeng Pon Singhason Youth Front Lapen KSA Lapen Singhason Youth Development Committee Atumpen Karcho Jai Mekedeng Pon Kidam tang ni phaing koira ke thomarni porphai sialam Singhason Youth Front Lapen KSA Atumpen Singhason Youth Development Committee Atumpen Pini Singhason pu disobaya habar bolong koma jipen kilometer 6 an suse kahelo disobai samdea hi thialong Kedam tang tarikre phopi BGR alam ki phelang pi along aki songa ki phudun bek abang phuatuma phan pini Singhason Youth Development Committee atumpen karcho jai mekedeng pon Central Committee atumpen ason alam sitami Singhason Youth atumpen kiwang jilang ta kachi songkar japon thipji aphansi disobaya hawara phan thanchimong pontika News Desk Report Public TV Karbi Anglong.
The heart of Singhason, alongside by the roadside of National Highway 29, and this is Disobai, a very beautiful place, and Singhason constituency. So the leaders of Singhason Youth Development Committee, Intirong P and Francis Milik. Under them, they have convened a felicitation program for the members of SDC Youth Front and KSA who were beaten black and blue at Kironi on the evening of 15th February 2024. So on the back of that, the whole of Karbi Anglong were erupted that the PTKA in anywhere in Karbi Anglong had to be evicted. Quickly, immediately and permanently. In regards to that, the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council immediately dispatched letters to the real fighters of SDC members and KSA. So they sent a letter to have a meeting on 19th. And again, on the 20th, the following day, the different political parties and different social organizations chaired by the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, Tiluram Rohang, CM, he chaired a meeting of on 19 and 20. So for that, we are having a felicitation program. It's all about those 11 KSA and SDC youth front leaders who got beaten. So we are very happy with the motive, with the gesture from Singhason Youth Development Committee and SDC Youth Front branch here at Singhason. So this is one particular event that we have here. And in this situation, yesterday, the Debrabhuta Soikya, leaders of Assam Congress, who made a very blatant, very unfortunate, very uninformed, very unlettered, uneducated kind of statement yesterday, when the whole of Karbi Anglong, when the whole of Assam, when the whole of the country, India, knows that as per the Supreme Court judgment on the 15th June 2015 and 10 January 2017, that anywhere else in India, Assam, Karbi Anglong can be evicted immediately. People who are living in PGR and BGR land. But this Mr. Soikya, the leader of Congress, is stating that this is illegal. So this kind of illegal statement made by him, we really condemn. We, the Singhason Youth Development Committee, also condemn. SDC also condemn. And the whole of Karbi Anglong, I on behalf of that, like to condemn such a statement from Debrabhuta Soikya and the Congress leadership. The Congress leadership on the 20th also present there when the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council chaired meeting. They didn't have any problem, but they investigated and they instigated again that this eviction should be stopped. Kind of statement, illegal means. So this is very much unfortunate, and we condemn blatantly to such a statement whoever made. So let us, I on behalf of ASDC Youth Front and Singhason Youth Development Committee and KSA, that challenging him and pointing our fingers that not to disturb the minds and heart, or not to play with the minds and hearts of the sentiment of these native people. So this is what we want to see. Thank you.
Ini Singhason Hawaralong Adap Singhason Youth Development Committee la penisi youth pon dum cipatir piponsi kita tang 15 ani litum kese songja po med youth pon songja po tum abi cipi ben si Karbi akai kapacing room long ko ni si ni cing sam pen ke hang seperan cultural masuk ke punya program badulo si hoklo ini hala bangso nitum cingrum long lok alam the bangka mata than polo nili anam phanta churulo lapen Karbi arong kadog yarat phanta churulo polam the bangke nitum hoklo kadak hodel lo 15 ani hodel lo hodet pen jopang thang chisong lo la bangso ko chisong jopang thang chisong det pen ke kadak administrative tuntame mathalo ke wanggilangan ni ke institution ke hingnupo ansa se hingnupo pojone litung birta dak pen pachi damlong leji phanlatum puthotani net ta ke bonji phan mathalo sitame litum okupai lo kadog wela hai kachiton lo puthorni metric exam do ama se hala bangso net ta ke bonu daga joni litum khada kisung ki du kisung alam thep Karbianglong rat ansa se tum chini long lo laso pochi litum Karbianglong arat tame tum Karbi dak Karbia khai kisung itum dak nang dudun chot amuni tum si tum Karbi phan ke theng la bangso sentiment bangke long lo be chakun ilo litum joini laso se Karbianglong thurpak lo laso thurpak pen sitame litum along tamis thurpak men tum a control ka videlo a control of it fis tame litum koson men litum chi control lo je konani gari wadun plin konani bang Karbi ba akaprek akhai tum a sentiment ba joni komane phan am meke dam chok ba konani chibong na chi thengnam pru la bangso bangge chi control tu si litum la bangso side bang da akheng no bang dam tu delo itum kopi ma ki mang bang dam vet ajoni litum Karbianglong Thomas Council tame la pen state government tame te pressure dolo itum 20 ani bangke chikroi nang koklo pinapen bangke notice pipo hala bangso aron relong ke do temphan bangke bija long leke do Karbianglong kona bagi don ke plungpu po notice pipo po jone ajo pen masi hala so area ke do tem SGB atum han bangke amen pangdak filo lake kado we thailong prong lo sila song bong same hala 20 ni ka chingwai long ke Karbianglong lo kopi ma political party do Kongres dolo, BJP dolo, CPML dolo, EPSLC dolo, SSC dolo. Kadogo veta laso debate pinaan alam the koson simi pa kroi sarlo Supreme Court kadogo ve alam the penta paklang lablo dakke ke plung unji avar side do la pen ke legal damun joini chidon sarlo plung poplo. Stame bini thektholong nilipui bangke hala bangso isi political ali ke chuentu mala bangso ro rak do. Di rak bolam thebang ke non headlong litum kadu we social media chithang bom lo Assam state along ke the dipropoto soikia pachi thagol litum theglong lo je labangso election eviction ki gleni bangke unlawful le illegal pupai pachi thang lilo je chini lo jongsila chini puthala Assam itum halan 20 ani congress tum tanang chitong lo chidon lo hala tum chini der mante ma kosolom te la bangke litum pui bang bangke arondo boy fis tame la bang to hala bang so akai de man political benefit mane amales ka chu ng litum apa ka jim so doti congress ong se next year litum long bang ko la so kamat tha pa joini si la bang so kaning je ti pini pui bang le la congress tum non alang thum chini pang kan long so pathek pang thek nang po je kidam tang so tru sing teron hu same ki je ge bia so ki van jeng alang litum tan lo lang namela kongres tum ki do pensi lahai nang chiplang pinan ke nang dolo lasi pini ke bangke labang son ahok he lampe nang pachi thang nundri lapen Karbi sentiment long lahai nang chi jong tabri kali bida lang dum ke bang ji ani bangke ko set po lapen ke ki bang ilangan ke Karbi dum bangke ining si basic tempo a japon po lahai ini bangke
media kote tum pan choro pachi lo si pini ladak desobaya hawar long nil tum kacing rum lagi kedam tang helang pialong di hari itu kita hengki cuci areng bung pasuki paso aning kiduk pen nilai tum ladak desubaya hawar setame pacesong furun lo lalu sila sukan det council asor 19 to 20 pressure cap la pen inkoya ni aching ki ka chathana teng pen notice pen apen amak pangdak ko em ma cm chechak lo lasi laso pen ka churo pa zero lo lasi las bangso ka chesong bang ni tum kang ton ko ji la pokali lasi la non within 30 days pa song bong alang ki baca cakap teng pen labang ki papleng nang po lapen pinila tak organize lake nilitum SS Singason Youth Development Committee lapen youth from lapen KSA tum do asihala khenok bi atom panilitum facilitation karjo mai sinilitum patopan lo asi nilitum ko ansi lam theng kon
May pusar bari mingti pen Karbi lameda mai ningkan phoke ranar kep ke chok lapen ningkan ise ka mai pila makang thora jai me kedeng pon kidam tang thang koi la ke thomar ni suri hini rain koi la plia pharman ke paman pon Karbi lameda mai ke padopon rong thilu long lamed amai mai phong thongke bra hini ke chok lapen Karbi lameda mai arta ningkan phoke ranar kep ke chok alama Karbi lameda mai amai phu sarbari mingtiari dengpen ingthorpon tanglo bangso hot alang lipen ki than pon ke Karbi lamet amai non ke Karbianglong district amai chotkaliro bonta Karbianglong pen angta nogang district Sunipur Meghalaya lapet kaprega district along anta arua rimdo erlo pangrumpet pen non amat longri amai kep lapen samchom amai plikebra pho ando tanglo Karbi alam ke pangcho lapen ke pachan pon thumu jodji aphan charlia hemalong Karbi alam pen loka charlia warsai tami padopon bomlo pusi alang li alam theke jayalong than paklar pon News Desk Report Public TV Karbianglong